know me as. So, as you can see the caption and title of the video, we are going to look on some instruments in the financial market. Today, basically, mainly what I look on is the instrument XAUUSD, or we call it gold, as in actual real gold way. You have jewelry make from gold and them stuff there. That we are going to look on. See? So, the trading week just come to an end. It goes from Sunday evening to Friday evening, 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. And I just go over a couple of the setups that I would have noticed um, throughout the week. So anybody seeing this video and is interested in becoming a participant in the financial markets, I may leave some information in the comment section of the video. You can contact me on any one of the platform them that will be listed. Yeah. I will be posting this video on my YouTube page. I'll put the YouTube page in the comment section same way, so you can go over YouTube and do the YouTube business same way. You get me? I say. So anybody will know me from probably the past 5 years now would have probably know some have a keen interest in getting acquainted with the financial markets. I've been on this journey for the past 4 or 5 years, and it has always been in my intention to do this kind of thing where me come on a live or if you do some streaming and share my ideas of how me see the financial markets and just have a discussion about it. My thing is um, when I go on YouTube in the evening time or whenever I choose to go up on YouTube, I don't see no Jamaican traders who does any form of streaming or if even post content surrounding the whole forex market, currency pairs and stuff, you know, commodities and stuff. I don't really see that. So, this is I gotta take a step and put my foot in the water and see how it goes. So, you can share comments on what you think about this video. It don't really matter whether negative or positive. Every feedback has value, and you only can learn and move forward. So, as I say, we go be looking at gold XAU USD, and we'll be looking at this week that just ended. These blue lines, these vertical blue lines that you see on my chart, uh, it is used to separate the chart into different weekly time frames. So if you can see here on my where my cursor is below my cursor, you see Monday the 1st of April. From Monday 1st of April to Friday or to Monday the 8th of April, that is basically 1 week. Again, as I say, the market's open from Sundays 5 p.m. Eastern and it goes up until Fridays um, 5 p.m. Eastern as well. You get me? And so on and so forth. So these blue lines separate the chart into weekly sections. This is the daily time frame. What you will notice as time progresses and you become more interested in this topic and you start going on YouTube and you start some videos, you realize that a lot of people do what we use a jargon, top-down analysis. So you see a lot of people going from the weekly time frame, even the monthly, or well, as it is stated here, you can go from the yearly time frame, 12 months, 6 months time frame, the quarterly time frame every 3 months, the monthly, weekly, daily, and can come all the way down to even the 30-second time frame. But for this, you need a subscription to TradingView. But for my purposes, um, I just need to stick to the daily time frame because I'm using the indicator which assists me. You understand? So I would start my top-down analysis and kind of develop my bias towards the market, as in whether I think the market is in a up upward trend or downward trend, or you'll hear some person say bullish bias or bearish bias. Um, these vertical, not vertical, these horizontal boxes that you see on the screen now are what I call specifically my volume zones. In the future, you'll hear or you'll book up on some terms where you hear some people refer to them as support and resistance zone, and you'll hear supply and demand zones and some other names. But based on my understanding from what I have tested for myself, I will be calling them volume zones because that is what I see them as. As time goes by, if you're interested enough and you reach out to me, you want to become a quote unquote student, then I can explain in further details. But for now, I'll just keep it on the surface level. Yeah. So we'd start from the daily and try to develop a bias. As I said earlier, sorry about that. So as I was saying earlier, we'll be looking at the week, this week, which would have started from here, Monday here, and to today's date, Friday. So mark these out. Right, cool. So we go down to the 4 hours time frame now, right? And we can see that the market, this was from Friday of last week. So we start from Friday of last week, which is here. Come on, man. Right here. Ooh. So that was 5 p.m. Thursday. That's when Friday started, and Friday ended right right here. Nice. Okay, cool. So, like I was saying earlier, these blue and white horizontal boxes that you see on my chart is what I refer to as my volume zones or volume areas, whichever one you feel comfortable with. So I basically trade from one volume area to the next, from one to the next. So we can see that from Friday last week, if I was supposed to be looking for entries, I would see that the first entry I would have had from Friday would have been here, where price came up into my volume area, volume zone, a volume box, and it gave me a rejection. So the moment I see this in my mind, I'm saying, all right, then since I get that kind of reaction, I'm looking for shorts, or I'm looking to take some sales in the market. So I'll be taking some sales from this area, from here, and I'll be trading all the way back to this volume area. You understand? And if I had taken that trade, it would have been a profitable trade. That would have been like how much. You hear me use some jargons, and you can research them, or if you feel comfortable, you can reach out to me, message me in the chat or something, and I can answer you regarding those. So this would have been this would have been approximately 40 pips, which is a great move for gold. Depending on your capital on your account, yeah, a lot of money that you could have make. You get me? So that would have been 40 pips right off the bat when market opens here on a Sunday. You get me? I say. So if you had, if a person had taken that trade right here, from up here, rather from up here, when Sunday come and the market open and them still in the trade, come back to the volume zone, you know, that are the first profitable day for the week. So we see that the price pushed down to my volume zone here, and we get a reaction, right? So when I see that now, the next thing in my head is that I'm going to look for some buys in the market now, and I'll be taking some buys between the bottom of this volume area or even the top, whichever one you choose to, whichever side you choose to entry to take an entry from, you'd still trade up to this to the top of the volume area here, and you'll still make some profit, you'll still make some money. You get me I say? So that's two trade for the week already, back to back wins. You get me I saying? And this at the same, see, you either make 40 pips come down, 40 pips come down, or you take a next 40 pips go up. You get me I say? So let's say you have a $1,000 US on your account, you know, so that are roughly $400 come down and $400 come up. So in a 2 days, you know, you basically double your account. You get me? I say you smile for it. You're not even have to trade again for the rest of the week. You smile. You make almost $1,000 in a 2 days. Get me? So anyways, this trade took us from Friday into Monday, and then we took a next trade from Monday, and we go into Wednesday, into Tuesday and into Wednesday. We hit with profit. Get me? I said so. This trade would have lasted from Monday morning, and it would have taken us all the way back um, into Wednesday morning right here. You get me? I say so. That's two trade for the day. So over over 3 days, over 3 days span, because I would have moved from Friday to Monday to Wednesday. So over 3 or 4 days span already. Friday, Monday, Wednesday, 3 days span. No, 4 day. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Over 4 days span, you know, you make $800 easily just from your phone or your computer. You see me? Anyways, when we got to Wednesday, I'm sure a lot of people watching the video now would have said then, you know, stupies or stewie or fluidity, why when you get this rejection from your volume area, you never take a sell? Which is a fair question, but here I have now. For almost every day in the financial markets, we have some form of news events. No, we get these news events coming in from the major first world countries, um, major first world countries of the world. You get me? So, on this particular day, Wednesday, we visited us. We have a news site that traders visit each day to see what upcoming news will be coming into the financial market for specific days. So that is called forexfactory.com. So we would have gone to Forex Factory and see that news was going to be reading into the market for Wednesday, right? So when we took this trade from Tuesday or from Monday, and we took profit here, we would have been sitting on our hands and waiting for the news read, because you don't really want to trade news. You want the news to read, and then you see what happens, how markets react to the news, and then you can look to take some trades again. You get me? So what happened is that the news came in at 7:30 a.m. Eastern time, Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday. Now, being that we're on the 4 hour chart, this 4 hour, the 4 hour candle goes from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. You understand? So, this candle here that is highlighted in the red right now uh, would have run from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. So, the news of the market would have been encompassing this black triangle right here. So after the news, so we would have, I mean, apparently we would have hit our target profit before the news. You understand? And what happened after the news is that we saw where price broke out of this volume area. I'm going to put it in yellow now. We saw where price broke out at that volume area, broke out at this volume area, boom, and it come directly into this volume area. Now, what I'm telling you already, it a price move from one volume area to the next volume area. So because me know say yo, the news don't read now, and at the next day, which is Wednesday, so the market read the news and the market circle back down so I can look for take some trades again. So because me say yo, when the news read, it come right up to my volume area and me get the reaction, we can take back the trade from my volume area up here so, and I come back and my volume area down here so again. You get me I say? So that's how that look. That's how much trade I take for the week already. So you take 1 year so, you take 2 years so, and you take 3 years so. And three trades so far for the week, and the three trades that you would have won easily. And not even have to talk about the rest of it coming into today Friday. Cause say your price come back down at the volume area, we take profit. You get me? We had some news in the market on Thursday, but it wasn't any kind of high impacting news. No, it was high impact news, but we never got the volume that we wanted. You understand? We never got the volume that we wanted at that time. So, as usual, we waited until the news was finished and the market digest the news, and then we started looking for entries. So I took my entry here on Thursday, and me I aim back to come up on my volume zone already because me just tell us that it work from one volume zone to the next volume zone. So boom, take the entry and see it come up right there. So for how much? Over 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 2,000 pips. I get me I say? So if someone were to be following my strategy, um, that I've been working on for a little while, and like finally reach where you're supposed to reach, you'd have take four trades for the week, and you'd have win four trades for the week, which would have been a very profitable week for anybody, whether you would have made $10 or $1,000, and these prices are quoted in US. You get me? So none of Jamaican price me I talk about. So $10 Jamaican are almost $2,000 same way. You see me? You make $10 for the week, a big you still make a big food. You can buy a 3 piece with that out of KFC. You get me? I say. So yeah, that was it. So that was it for the week. Ma actually plan to start doing this more often. I wanted to started doing it on YouTube, but me not really sort out the whole streaming thing there on the YouTube platform yet. So I'm just gonna want to work with this for now, and until me reach that bridge, them across it. So these videos when I go do on Facebook, they will be uploaded to my YouTube channel. You get me? And after uploading them to my YouTube channel, me I go consistently try coming back here on Facebook to do the live streams. You get me? So um, you can go on both platforms, or the three platforms that I will be listing. Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Me I go share the links on all three platforms. So you can, as I said earlier in the video, you can go over YouTube, do the YouTube business. You see me on Instagram same way. You see me, you can do the Instagram business. A one motion, like, share, and subscribe. All of them someday. That's the real reach right now. So you can do that. So for Facebook, LJ Mastermind Stewart, that go already. For Instagram and YouTube, Fluidity FX, and for any other social media handle there on out will be entitled under Fluidity FX. You get me? I say so. Yeah, you can reach out to me from the links them that I will post in the comment section of the video, and enjoy your weekend. A Friday, who want go a club, go a club. Who want go party, go party. If you're there, yeah, and you don't want to go out and you want to drink two juice or play some family game, or for who are Sabbatarians, your Sabbath start from today. You have the local private time there for your family, or if you worship on a Sunday, the same motion, but without a doubt life spare. I'm going to be back here on Sunday, sometime in the day. Maybe post it on Facebook so you can know. I think once you follow me on Facebook, you're quote unquote supposed to get a notification if I post something. So I don't know that, but we see. And sometimes throughout the day, Sunday, I will try to on this and do a look analysis for next week, because we are going at the end of May. We are going on summer months, you know, so you know, say everything I go hot. You know, place I go hot. You know, girl him hot and him something the same way. You get me I say? So yeah man. So soon or Sunday, sometime another day. I don't know it go. So I say I drop them thing there and I do the business. Is it? Peace.